Put salt under your doormat at the entrance to your home, and the next day you'll be surprised with the result. Salt is a cleanser. Salt is a purifier. Salt is a sweetener. It is also an enhancer. It enhances your finance. It brings abundance to you, and also it brings positivity into your life. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 ways by which you can use salt to cleanse yourself of negativity, enhance your family life, bring abundance to your home, and sweeten your life, your own life and your family life. First way to use salt to cleanse your home of negativity and bring abundance to you is to spread salt on your doormat at the entrance to your home. Just get salt and spread it under the doormat, and just place the doormat back, and the next day, from that day onward, positivity will be stepping into your home. Any negativity that is coming will not be able to enter your home, and that home will start attracting luck, success and abundance, and there won't be frequent problem in family relationship. The second way by which you use salt to attract luck and abundance is this. Get lemon. Get a glass cup and get salt. You cut the lemon into half and just put one half into the glass cup and add salt on top of it. Then you are going to be placing it at the entrance to your home. That means in front of the front door coming to your home. Placing this cup of lemon and salt at the front door to your home will attract goodness to your home. It will also repel insects into your home. This is very powerful. Don't miss this. You can do it right now, today. Don't miss this. This is very, very important. Then the third way by which you can use salt to eliminate stress and negativity is to use salt and water. This is exactly like the second one. All you need to do is get a glass cup, fill it with salt, maybe to the half, and add water. You are placing this at the entrance to your home also. This is going to eliminate all forms of stress and negative energy in your home. It will also strengthen the relationship in that family. There won't be quarrels, there won't be constant troubles, because constant troubles in relationship are due to stress and negative energy. So by placing this at the entrance to your home, there won't be room for any form of negativity, and it will ward off all forms of stress. Positivity will come into the home. The fourth way to use salt that I'm going to be showing you is putting salt in a polythene bag and putting it in your bag or purse or your wallet, as the case may be. This is very simple. Just get a plain polythene bag, then add 2 spoons of salt. Just add it, fold it, and use something to gum it together. Like sellotape, and tape it together and put in your bag. Make sure it does not leave your bag. This enhances your love life. It's especially good for our ladies. It enhances your love life, and it brings abundance into your purse, into your wallet. You will never lack money if you can do this. This is not diabolical. This is not magic. It's just an ancient practice, and it's even scientific, because salt has got a lot of energy. It enhances your energy level. So when you have it in your pulse, it enhances that pulse. Your love life will be enhanced, and your finance will also be enhanced. You will never lack money. Money will never run dry from that pulse. Before I show you the fifth and the final way to use salt, this one is going to be very powerful. I want you to go to the comment and type salt is a cleanser, salt is a beautifier, salt is an enhancer, salt attracts abundance. Write it in the comment, or just let us know in the comment which one you are going to practice out of all these 5. Now, coming to the fifth one. The fifth way to use salt is a little bit advanced, and that's why I'm saving it for the last. What you are going to be getting is salt, garlic, and bay leaf. So just get a bowl. Get a bowl, a glass bowl preferably. If you don't have a glass bowl, then you can use other bowl, but preferably glass bowl. Then fill it with salt. Fill the bowl with salt. Then get cloves. Get cloves. Peel the cloves, a handful. Then just spread the cloves on the salt. Make sure it rounds the bowl. Then at the center, you are going to be putting the bay leaf, one bay leaf. You are going to be putting it in the salt at the center. And that is the simplest way to use it. So what is this going to do? This is going to attract good luck. It attracts abundance to you. And it repels every form of negativity and any form of insult into your home. It wards off insult. Where are you going to be placing it? You can just place it in front of your home, or you can place it in your living room on the center table, or you can just find a place in your compound where you can place this. But make sure it's in that home. It's in that home. Just place it anywhere in the home, and good luck will come to you effortlessly. I'm not saying you will not work, because this is not magic, but it's an ancient practice, and it has been working. It has worked. In fact, it worked for me because I use this all the time. So it attracts good luck, abundance into your home, and it repels all forms of negativity and every types of insect. It gets rid of insect. Try it and see for yourself. Salt is very, very powerful. It's very powerful. It's an enhancer, it's a purifier, it's a cleanser. It attracts abundance into you. If you enjoyed this video, then you are going to enjoy this video here, where I show you how to use salt mainly to attract abundance. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.